My dear friend, again today we are going to see this synthesis, simple to complex, with the help of noun clause. You should know that in complex sentence we study noun clause, adjective and relative clause, as well as adverb clause. So adjective and relative clause and adverb clause we will see in the next video. Today in this short video we are going to see that how noun clause functions. You should know that noun clause means the clause which functions as a noun. यानी क्लॉज जो उपवाक्य है, बड़े वाक्य में जो छोटे छोटे उपवाक्य होते हैं उसको हम क्लॉज कहते हैं, और जब वह क्लॉज किसी नाउन की तरह से काम करता है उसको हम नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं. आप एग्जांपल में देख लें, he said something, उसने कुछ कहा, it is difficult to understand. He said something, it is difficult to understand. लेकिन इन दोनों बातों को हमने मिला दिया तो हम कह सकते हैं कि what he said is difficult to understand. सेंटेंस बना what he said, जो कुछ उसने कहा is difficult to understand. इसमें what he said एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह से काम कर रहा है. what he said एक क्लॉज है, नाउन क्लॉज है जो सब्जेक्ट की तरह काम कर रहा है. It is working like a subject. That's why it is called noun clause. Already I have said that किसी वाक्य में जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो नाउन या नाउन फ्रेज या नाउन क्लॉज ही काम करता है. So here we have seen that what he said is difficult to understand. You can see the next example. I do not know he has said something. I do not know, मुझे नहीं मालूम, he has said something, उसने कुछ कहा है. When we synthesize these two sentences together, so it will be I don't know what he has said. अब इस वाक्य में I don't know what he has said, I don't know ये जो क्रिया है इसका ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया what he has said. यानी यहाँ पे what he has said नाउन क्लॉज एक ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह से काम कर रहा है. थर्ड सेंटेंस में है it is problem, he is not coming tomorrow. It is problem यह समस्या है, he is not coming tomorrow कि वह कल नहीं आ रहा है. इसको जब हम ज्वाइन करके सिंथेसिस करके बोलेंगे तो कहेंगे the problem is that he is not coming tomorrow. अब यहाँ देखें the problem ये जो है सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे है, is इसका लिंकिंग वर्ब है और इसके जस्ट बाद that he is not coming tomorrow ये उसका कंप्लीमेंट है. यानी इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट का जो सब्जेक्ट है उसका कंप्लीमेंट है the problem is that he is not coming tomorrow. In this way we have seen, my dear friend, that noun clause is functioning in first sentence as the subject, in second sentence it is working as the object, in third sentence it is working as the complement. This is the function of noun clause.